You sleep for 8 hours, but you still feel tired in the morning. That is not normal. You make one mistake every night. Do you know what it is? Today, you will follow two friends, Lori and Alex. Lori had a bad night and now she is very tired. She wants to sleep better. You will learn how to talk about feeling tired, evening habits, and sleep. But before we begin, one question for you. What does Alex tell Lori to do before bed? Listen carefully and write your answer in the comments. Are you ready? Let's go. Good morning, Lori.
Oh, good morning.
Are you okay? You look tired today.
I am fine. I just need more coffee.
How much coffee is that?
This is my second cup, and it is only 8:30.
Lori, that is not a good sign.
I know. I did not sleep well last night.
Again? This happened yesterday too.
Yes, it has been a few days now.
What do you mean? You cannot fall asleep.
I can fall asleep, but then I wake up. And after that, I just lie awake for a long time.
That does not sound good.
It's not. I feel very tired in the morning, even after 7 hours in bed.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around midnight, sometimes later.
Midnight? That is quite late.
I know. I always tell myself just 10 more minutes. And then it is 1 in the morning already.
So you stay up late a lot.
Yes, almost every night. I stay up late and then I cannot get up in the morning.
And what do you do before bed? Do you have a routine?
A routine? No. I just sit on the sofa, look at my phone, watch something.
How long do you look at your phone?
Maybe 1 hour, maybe 2.
That is a lot of screen time before bed.
Is screen time bad for sleep?
Yes, it keeps your brain awake. So it is hard to fall asleep after.
Screen time keeps my brain awake. I did not know that.
And when you lie awake at night, what do you think about?
Everything. Work, my to-do list, many different things. I cannot stop thinking. I just lie there.
That sounds very tiring.
It is. I just want one night of deep sleep, good sleep, where I do not wake up 10 times.
You are learning real English, slow and clear. If you want more stories like this, subscribe to Talkory English. Okay, I think I know what the problem is.
Really? What is it?
The phone.
The phone is the problem.
Too much screen time before bed. It keeps your brain awake. That is why you cannot sleep. That is why you lie awake even when you are tired.
Maybe you are right.
So the answer is simple. Put the phone down before bed.
Yes, I know.
Do you do that?
No, I do not.
Why not?
Because I pick it up again every night. I put it down and then 5 minutes later, I pick it up again.
But Lori, you just said you know it is bad.
I know. I know it is bad, but it is hard to just stop. I tell myself just one more video, just one more message. And then 1 hour is gone.
So you know the problem. But you keep doing it anyway.
Yes, that is the problem.
Okay, then maybe stopping at all is too hard. Let's think of something smaller.
Smaller?
Yes, you do not have to stop. You just need to cut back on screen time a little.
Cut back on?
It means do less, not zero, just less. Maybe 30 minutes less than usual.
30 minutes less. Okay, that sounds more possible.
And instead of the phone, do something to relax, something quiet.
Like what?
What do you usually do before bed, besides the phone?
Nothing really. I go straight from the sofa to the bed.
That is the problem. Your brain does not have time to relax.
So what do you do? Do you have a routine?
Yes, a simple one. I usually go to bed at 11. And before that, I put my phone in the other room.
The other room? So you cannot reach it?
Exactly. If it is not near me, I do not pick it up.
That is smart. And then what?
I usually read a little before bed, or I make a cup of tea. Something calm, something that helps me relax.
And it works? You fall asleep easily?
Most nights, yes, I sleep well, and I do not wake up at the middle of the night. I think the routine helps a lot.
A routine. I never thought about that.
Your body needs a routine. If you go to bed at the same time every night, your body starts to know it is time to sleep.
So I should try to go to bed at the same time every night?
Yes, and why don't you try putting your phone in another room tonight? Just tonight, see how it feels.
Just tonight.
Just tonight, small changes are easier than big ones.
Okay, I will try. But I am not going to promise anything.
That is fine, just try.
You know, when you explain it like that, it makes sense. The routine, the screen time, all of it.
You already know what the problem is. That is the hard part. The rest is just small steps.
Okay, tonight I will try. I usually go to bed at midnight. Maybe tonight I will try 11:30.
That is a good start. 30 minutes earlier is already better.
And I will put my phone on my desk, not next to my bed.
Good. And do something quiet before bed. Read something, make some tea, something to help you relax.
I think I can do that.
Just cut back on screen time a little. Do something to relax. And try to go to bed at the same time every night. That is all you need.
Okay, that is a lot of good advice.
I just want you to get some deep sleep. You look very tired.
I feel very tired, but I feel a little better after talking to you.
Good. And tomorrow morning, tell me how it went.
Okay, I promise. And if I still look very tired tomorrow, I will listen to you again.
What time are you going to go to bed tonight?
11:30, I promise.
Good. Now stop looking at your phone and drink your coffee.
Ha! Okay, I will put my phone down right now.
That is the end of our story today. Lori and Alex had a quiet morning in the break room, and Lori learned something important about her evenings. And now you know exactly how to talk about sleep and your evening routine in English too. Watch this video again and try to say the sentences out loud. The more you say them, the easier they become. Now, your turn. What time do you usually go to bed? Write one sentence in the comments below. For example, I usually go to bed at 11. I'll read every comment and reply to you in English. If this video helped you, please give it a like. And subscribe to Talkory English for more slow and easy stories. Thank you for watching. See you next time.